Good morning, friends. Today we are going to sing together the book Every Little Thing. I thought it was very appropriate for this time. I miss you like crazy, and please sing along. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs and melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you. And don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Run to the playground, laugh with my friends and play. Three little birds perched on the swing set, whistling these words, these harmonies sweet in the air. Sometimes you just need to show you care. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Help in the kitchen, stirring up delicious fun. Three little birds fly by my window, chirping out loud. They're reminding us each day, everyone can make a mistake, they say. And we sing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Lie down this evening, wave to the setting sun. Three little birds rest in the treetops, humming soft rhymes and lullabies, dream to keep. Whisper, settle down now, sweet child, now and sleep. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And every little thing is gonna be alright. See you next time.